The conjugations. The conjugations.
Passive voice, past perfect, positive sentence. I had been called. நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தேன். You had been called. நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாய். He had been called. அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தார். She had been called. அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாள். It had been called. அது அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தது. We had been called. நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தோம். You had been called. நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தீர்கள். They had been called. அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தார்கள். Passive voice, past perfect, negative sentences. I had not been called. நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. You had not been called. நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. He had not been called. அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. She had not been called. அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. It had not been called. அது அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. We had not been called. நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. You had not been called. நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. They had not been called. அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை. Passive voice, past perfect, positive questions. Had I been called? நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தேனா? Had you been called? நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாயா? Had he been called? அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தானா? Had she been called? அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாளா? Had it been called? அது அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததா? Had we been called? நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தோமா? Had you been called? நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தீர்களா? Had they been called? அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தார்களா? Passive voice, past perfect, negative questions. Had I not been called? நான் அழைக்கப்பட்டு இருந்ததில்லையா? Had you not been called? நீ அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Had he not been called? அவன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Had she not been called? அவள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Had it not been called? அது அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Had we not been called? நாங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Had you not been called? நீங்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Had they not been called? அவர்கள் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லையா? Passive voice, past perfect, using question words, positive. Why had I been called? நான் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தேன்? Why had you been called? நீ ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாய்? Why had he been called? அவன் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தான்? Why had she been called? அவள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தாள்? Why had it been called? அது ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தது? Why had we been called? நாங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தோம்? Why had you been called? நீங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தீர்கள்? Why had they been called? அவர்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்தார்கள்? Passive voice, past perfect, using question words, negative. Why had I not been called? நான் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why had you not been called? நீ ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why had he not been called? அவன் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why had she not been called? அவள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why it had not been called? அது ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why had we not been called? நாங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why had you not been called? நீங்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Why had they not been called? அவர்கள் ஏன் அழைக்கப்பட்டிருந்ததில்லை? Questions plus corresponding answers. Why had I been invited? You had been invited to attend the function. Why had you been invited? I had been invited to attend the function. Why had he been invited? He had been invited to attend the function. Why had she been invited? She had been invited to attend the function. Why had it been invited? It had been invited to attend the function. Why had we been invited? You had been invited to attend the function. Why had you been invited? We had been invited to attend the function. Why had they been invited? They had been invited to attend the function. Questions plus positive and negative answers. Past perfect tense. Had I been called? Yes, you had been called. No, you had not been called. Had you been called? Yes, I had been called. No, I had not been called. Had he been called? Yes, he had been called. No, he had not been called. Had she been called? Yes, she had been called. No, she had not been called. Had it been called? Yes, it had been called. No, it has not been called. Had we been called? Yes, you had been called. No, you had not been called. Had you been called? Yes, we had been called. No, we had not been called. Had they been called? Yes, they had been called. No, they had not been called. Example sentences.
I had been loved by you. You had been loved by me. He had been loved by her. She had been loved by him. It had been loved by all. We had been loved by you. You had been loved by us. They had been loved by everybody.
Positive sentences with negative tag. I had been called hadn't I. You had been called hadn't you. He had been called hadn't he. She had been called hadn't she. It had been called hadn't it. We had been called hadn't we. You had been called hadn't you. They had been called hadn't they. Negative sentences with positive tags. I had not been called had I. You had not been called had you. He had not been called had he. She had not been called had she. It had not been called had it. We had not been called had we. You had not been called had you. They had not been called had they.